Okay, are you interested in learning how to do tutorials or tutorial videos on PowerDirector with this kind of layout? I'm working on that with the Chroma Cam and that sort of thing. If so, we're going to get into it right after this. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Karl recording from Bedford, Pennsylvania on Tuesday, June 30th, 2020. And I'm just going to go over a little bit of the layout of PowerDirector 18. I have the Ultimate package. I opted not for the subscription. I just paid the one-time price. And anyway, that's for another video. What I want to do is talk about just a little bit of the layout here and the fact that I am using this in this kind of a layout. If you're interested in that, I can do a video on it. I'm using, right now I'm recording on my OBS. I'm using the Chroma Cam software. That's how you got me, and you got this in the background. And I've got I've got the Cyberlink on. So I have 3 programs going. So it is a little laggy. Now, Cyberlink also has a screen recorder. The reason I'm on OBS right now is because it has my lower third and that sort of thing. But because I have 3 programs going, and I'm in a high internet area, high traffic, high volume area, plus other stuff that's going on. It's for another video, totally unrelated, but I'm getting attacked. A lot of things are causing the lagginess of this, but mainly it's because I have OBS going, Cyberlink going, and Chroma Cam going. All 3 of the programs. That doesn't help. So I'm gonna do another video on the using the PowerDirector screen recorder and see how that works, because it'll look basically the same. It just might be a little bit smoother because I'll have instead of 3 programs going, I'll have 2 programs. Anyway, let's just get into just a few things of the layout here, and we'll wind down. Just want to get you familiar with PowerDirector 18. There's so much to go on here, but first of all, over here is all your tools. I'll just kind of go over these quickly, but let's look at the things here. And here's your plugins. I won't go through all these. I'll do this in a separate video, but here's all your different plugins. We'll go into that, but just look at we'll go through the media content here. We're looking at my media content. Now, there are sample templates, and I've moved them over to a thumbnail, a thumb drive, and I loaded these in. So these load up every time I load up PowerDirector 18. The standard stuff I have, the samples I have elsewhere, because it was taking too long to load up. There was a bunch of stuff on there that I don't use anyway. I just kept it because they are the samples, and I've got it elsewhere. I can show you how to do that in another video. So you got the media content, then you got the color board. So if you want to do this one here, this is great for doing green screen stuff. You can use the chroma key. That'll be for another video. Then you got your background images. These are just standard. I use my own usually. Then you got your background music. And the check marks are the ones I've downloaded, and these are all good. I prefer going to the YouTube Studio Library. That way I know I can be safe. There's other stuff. I can do videos on that. I know of sites that are totally compliant with YouTube. So if you want videos on that, I can do that too. Then you got sound clips. There's a few that download it there. These are great for B-roll stuff. I can do a video on that, a tutorial on B-roll if you want to know that. Then I got my projects, don't have anything there, and then Express projects, and it loads up tutorial things. So I'm not going to do that. Let's just go back to my media content here, and let's just go over these real quick. Here's the media content, and this is this is your effects. I've got all kinds of different effects that you can use. There's so much to go on. There's going on with PowerDirector. There's so much to do. Then you got, this is my favorite, is the picture-in-picture, and you can add things here. And this is you go into the designer tab, and that's where you do your chroma key. But you can do a lot of things here. And then particles. Let me click on the 3D one. This would be great for like doing fall videos of these leaves and stuff. Then you have your text, and I like doing 3D type stuff, but you got different. You got motion graphics. I'm working on that. I just did a cool military intro with some motion graphics there. And this is just amazing. Transitions, all kinds of transitions. I love transitions, and I really like the 3D transitions. And there's a lot of them there that you can go through. The one I use, you'll see this one a lot. I like using that one a lot. And then this, that's the volume. And then for here is for your voiceover. If you want to do a voiceover, yeah, there's I guess it's kind of recording you now or something. I don't know. That's for your voiceover. Anyway, that's just kind of the nuts and bolts of it. There's so much to do in this, and I will get into more. But if there's anything that you really want to know about this, please be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification, and also be sure to leave comments in the comments. And if there's anything specific that you want to know, I will get onto it, and I will make a video on that. And we will talk to you next time.